What's up, y'all? Good morning. So, I done already got up. I'm tired. Going to the church house this morning, but I had to go charge the car. Because I didn't feel like charging it last night, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I'd rather get up in the freaking morning and just go ahead and charge it. But now it's 9:45 and we start at 11:15. So I gotta hope that these people up in this house is awake and doing what they supposed to be doing. If not, we about to be doing a mad dash.
And I wanna be your sunlight, cause baby girl, you my sunflower. In that early morning sunlight, I want you to be my baby, baby.
Interrupted. Some of the biggest moves of God arrive like an uninvited interruption.
I'm mighty grateful for the.
That's why I wore to church. Come over here so I can see what you wore to church today too. First Sunday in October. Okay, so we is getting into me like semi-meal prepping. I really just made like 2 meals. But yeah, I love onion in everything. So I cut up some onion for my zucchini slices. And then I'm also going to make some for my string beans or snap peas, as my grandma called them. Yeah, just giving them a quick rinse and snapping off like the little ends that are bad. But yeah, once I do that, I throw some onions in there, and then I either saute. I think this time I sauteed them. Sometimes I don't saute them. Sometimes I just put a little bit of oil on them and throw them in the oven and let the oven do the work. But I think this time I was just like mass cooking some food at the moment, and so I did both at the same time. After that, like, it was time to cut down this chuck roast that I got. I usually would put it in a crock pot, but I don't have a crock pot right now. My crock pot died on me, so it's time to get a new one. But yeah, so when I seasoned it, cut it up, you gotta sear it on both sides. Like, that's whether you're doing it in a crock pot or not. You gotta sear both sides of it before I put it in a pan and popped it into the oven. So once I got that into the oven, my kids, I don't know about y'all kids, but my kids will murder some Nutella. So I decided to just go ahead and use these little cups that are in like the to-go containers, or the things that you buy that like you never use. And so I decided to just make their snacks for the week. Give them some graham crackers with some Nutella in a Ziploc bag. I threw them in the fridge, and that be that. Like, these kids, if you don't organize it right, they'll eat me out of house and home. And now I'm just busting down this pineapple. Do y'all got a better way? Is there a better way to do this stuff with the pineapple? Because this is the only way I know how. But I feel like I'm wasting half the dang on pineapple by cutting off is that a rind? The outside part. But yeah, this is the other part of their snack. I cut up some pineapple. Sometimes if I have grapes, I'll do pineapple and grapes in a bag. This time I just had some mandarin oranges and pineapple. So I'm just cutting up the pineapple, and I'm gonna throw some oranges up in there too. And then I don't think I showed this in the video, but the mandarin oranges and like 4 graham crackers, I also just put a whole orange and some graham crackers in a Ziploc bag. And then this is what my chuck roast looked like after it was done, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my gosh, we're back to school.
I was crying all night.
Oh my goodness, you could not go to sleep last night, huh?
Nope.
Lord, have mercy. Well, I could, and I could go back to sleep right now. I'm tired.
So can I.
But we back to our regular schedule program.
Yay.
Back to school from fall break. But we're going on vacation this weekend. So you have a half day today. You go to school regular Wednesday, Thursday, and then you have a half day on Friday.
If you have it today?
Yeah, today's minimum day.
Oh, yeah.
Minimum day. Yay. So, yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I was supposed to be doing better at vlogging.
I know how to edit.
I am just, you know what? I'm gonna start giving Logan the videos to edit because, you know what?
Well, I can't use CapCut because it's 13 plus.
Oh yeah. So he's on his own iCloud now, and there's parental controls. They were using my iCloud, which gave them the freedom to everything, and they don't need that.
And I
but
can't use YouTube too.
I only use CapCut on your iPad.
I can't really use
Yeah. So now they are having to wait
until 13.
to do certain things, but I'll probably open Logan's to 13. I might be trusting you to 13 plus.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's time to go to school, go to work, get the day started. I'm gonna try to remember to keep vlogging, keep recording, and hopefully Babe remembers to do the same thing, 'cause love you. Have a good day.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. Thank you. Just put it in the front seat. Love you. Have a good day.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. Let's see if I can catch it in there. So funny thing, I had to go to Dollar Tree because I had to use the bathroom, and it was the one that I knew that I would have no problems getting into. But I go in, and this guy's trying to stop me to get me to sign a petition. I had to use it too bad to care about what he was saying, so I was like, no. I ran past him, right? So I come back out, and I'm like, okay. Now, what were you talking about? Because now I got time, right? And he's like, oh, it's just a petition for voting. Are you a registered voter? Absolutely, yes, I am. So what is it about voting? Oh, well, we want a petition for... Anyway, y'all, it's late in the day. Earlier, I was talking to y'all, and my baby called me, and we got into a conversation talking about stuff, which we always do. But yeah, that man was trying to get me to sign a petition, y'all, to make voters' rights harder, to must show your ID, must show this, gotta sign that. I'm like, boy, I ain't doing that. I'm like, so you want me to make it harder for people to go vote? Yeah, I ain't signing that, buddy. But then I had to remember the neighborhood I was in and realize why. But yeah, I'm finally home. The day is over. Finally go in this house and see what these kids want, what this man want. I think tonight I'm gonna have Logan cook. Logan is perfecting his spaghetti, and so I have been like, yeah, brother, go ahead and cook. But yeah, let me go see what they doing. Right now, I'm about to make some gumbo. Get my purse out of this thing. About to make some gumbo. I did a Walmart stop. And some juice for these kids. And a chocolate for me, cause hell yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some gumbo real quick. See how that goes. So right here, I'm just showing y'all my roux process, and it takes forever. It always takes forever. But yeah, I didn't really give no gumbo like recipe or show y'all how I made it all. So if you're interested in that, just let me know. So my husband taking me on this hot date. This freaking thing right here keeps coming up. It's supposed to go down. I'm gonna have to fix it later, but we're looking all put together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Looking nice and good for a date night.
Mm-hmm.
My
It's
hot date.
7 o'clock in the
Hey.
drop. In my drop top. What? Mm-hmm.
You got a drop top? Well, you can't mess up my hair tonight.
Man,
And your
I
drop
can't-
top.
I can't drop the top.
You can't drop the top. Maybe on our way home, you can drop the top. Because you can't mess up my hair on the way there.
Peso, peso.
So like I was saying, yeah, Babe and I were invited to an art show. It was a masquerade ball, so like that's kind of where we are dressed up, even though we didn't wear our mask. The artwork was super dope, y'all. Like, I just love the whole event. Like, it was just a dope laid back kind of thing. There was this girl there that had a beautiful voice. You can kind of hear her in the background. Everybody was just so nice, and then Babe got asked to do a couple of songs to perform, so he got up there and did his thing. Super proud of him. He got an interview afterwards. Honestly, all in all, it was just a really fun date night that turned into a little performance for Babe, which I'm so excited always to see him perform. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. That's the end of our week, and see you soon.